As quickly as human populations rose on this planet and grew exponentially, that's how quickly they're going to go down the water slide on the other side. We're living in this unique moment in history where we're going to see that population reverse. This is a civilizational thing, and we don't really have a business model. Fascism, capitalism, communism, none of those work when you don't have the pyramid anymore of a lot of young people on the bottom, a few oldsters on top. That's now become a chimney straight up and down, and it's now flipping into an inverted pyramid. We have no business model or economic or social model for that. And you're absolutely right. China, despite their claims of 1.4 billion, they're probably 300 to 400 million post-COVID. Germany's dying out, Italy's dying out, Japan, South Korea. And the US, the fertility replacement rate is about 2.1. In the US, it's about 1.6 without immigration. So also on that downhill slide already. And so what I realized after writing this book is this really goes civilization deep, this breakage of relationship formation.